adventure. I can't. So we're back and we're getting ready to go to Mickey's Not So Scary. Let's look at Jen's costume. Jen is obviously Carl, young Carl.
I got the brown sweater vest, I got the grape soda pin, I got the glasses. Aviator hat.
Shoes. She's all ready.
Yep. And this is Morgan as Ellie from Up. She's got the bright red hair, obviously. She's got the shirt. We made our own little pins.
Oh, I forgot about the
1971
pins.
for Walt Disney World and a WDW pin. And then we happen to have like a little
Mike
pin
Wazowski.
of Wazowski. And yeah, step back for me. So I can get the full ensemble. There you go. And then she's wearing her Chucks. She's a full-on kid.
I am, but I told Jen she has to share the hat with me.
Yeah.
In the evening.
She's afraid it won't make much sense. But I was like, how far away are you going to get from me?
Yeah,
we got to stay together.
Everyone will know who we are.
Yeah.
So we're going to get ready to head in, ride some rides before the party starts, and then get some candy.
Yeah, get that candy. Our little aviator has her eye on this gluten-free Headless Horseman cheesecake that we're gonna go over and try to get once the party starts at Sleepy Hollow.
Oh, thank you!
Lucky number 13.
I can't. Just the look of it. Stay on the track. Right, it's like not easy to drive.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
The steering wheel is very loose to get used to it.
Oh, yeah, I can see you. Oh, wow. Can you hear my voice?
Yeah.
All right. Out into the great blue yonder.
We're on our greatest adventure. I have a car's length away between me and the person in front of me.
That's called safe driving.
You smell that fuel?
Oh yeah, that's good. So we just stopped at Sleepy Hollow and got the Headless Horseman pumpkin chocolate cheesecake. How excited are you?
You should be excited.
I'm really excited. It is actually gluten-free, so I am like so ready. It's like pumpkin mousse, chocolate cake. It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. That looks amazing.
Delicious.
All right, let's get this tried. Oh, it smells good. I can smell it already. It smells like pumpkin and like graham crackers.
It's kind of hard to take you serious with your glasses.
That is really good.
Is it good?
It's almost like it's like pumpkin cheesecake. I don't really taste a lot of the chocolate. It's very pumpkin-y and very like fall spices. No, it's a lot of pumpkin.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Yeah.
We're seldom discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. You're in my world now, not your world. I got friends on the other side. I might just sleep now. If I don't, I laugh it first. Give us a price! I'm really scared. And now The story that you are about to be told is one for both the young and the old.
Hi guys, Future Jen here. I want to give you guys an update on everything that went down after Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. We had an incredible time. We had a little bit of a stressful time, and that's why we didn't do an outro in the park. We were out really incredibly late that evening, and we actually headed over to a family member's house and then had a whole day planned for the next day. So let me get right down to what happened at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. We got to enjoy some of the food. We wanted to try the Lotso burger, and none of the ingredients were gluten-free, so we had kind of a simulated Lotso burger. It ended up being like a bacon cheeseburger on the gluten-free bun. We got to engage in one character greeting. We ended up meeting Stitch. We were able to see all three shows. We saw the Hocus Pocus show, we saw the fireworks, and we saw the Halloween Boo to You parade, and they were all amazing. It took a bit of organizing to make sure that we saw them all based on the times that we wanted to be in the park. So we had to be really creative about when we saw each of the shows, and we had to really think about it. We had some frustrations with Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. We did go on Friday the 13th. So candy lines were incredibly long. Character greet lines were incredibly long. I will say we never got through a candy line, which was really frustrating for us. Some of the rides were down most of the evening. Pirates of the Caribbean with actual people in the ride, which sounded totally cool, was down for most of the party. We also experienced some rain or inclement weather during the fireworks show, so it actually ended quite abruptly. When we did get in line for one of the rides, which was Haunted Mansion, it went down for about 15 minutes. So that took up a good amount of time. So my first recommendation is actually something that we did for Mickey's Not So Scary, which was to dress up. And we had such a great time. Everyone dresses up. Number 2 is to come in as early as possible, which would be 4 p.m. if you don't have a regular park ticket for Magic Kingdom. You just need the party ticket for to get into the park. The third thing would be to prioritize exactly why you want to go to the Halloween party. That'll make it a lot easier. Definitely try to go to Mickey's Not So Scary on a night when it's not busy, preferably a weekday night and not a weekend, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday evening. If you do want to see all of the shows, if that's your main priority, try to arrange it differently. We kind of had our shows back to back to back, and I think that contributed to us not being able to stand in line for character greetings or get candy. Be very focused on how you plan your evening. That's all for this Disney trip. We actually have an upcoming trip to Iceland, so stay tuned for that. Really wonderfully exciting YouTube videos coming up on our channel soon. So see you guys next time.